Hello, my shining stars. This is Emma. You are back here on my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be trading on pocket option, as always, sharing every step and every detail of my trading journey with you. So I'm really excited about our session today, and I cannot wait to let's get this game started. All right, here we go. Okay. Pretty straightforward. I'm starting with just $60, and right away I see a bounce of the middle line of the Dungeon channel. The super trend gives us a buy signal, and we can joyfully see a smooth upward momentum forming. So it's time to buy and time to go for a call option. Let's get it growing and let's go all the way up. And by the way, if you want to go all the way up in trading, I highly recommend you to check out my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and this is where I share in every detail my educational approach to strategy, the pro trading tips, and wonderful insights, as well as unique signals to help you get on the next level in your trading game. So don't forget to check it out if you haven't already. Ooh, and the first profit is here, $115.20. Beautiful. For that, we need to get another asset pair and increase our bid to $115. Well, darlings, take a closer look. A strong buyer steps into the euro, and price break through the middle boundary of the channel, and it's moving higher. The zigzag and the super trend support the long, and MACD gives us a bullish signal. So everything tells me it is time to go up again, and we are going for long. Time to go for long. I just watched The Midnight in Paris by Woody Allen. And darlings, why we don't still have a time travel machine? I would love to get into the time travel machine and explore other eras. That is so, ooh, you know what else is fascinating? $220 of the profit I just made. Wow. Okay, next asset pair. Let's see. Well, $200 for the next bid. I know, bids are up. And look at that, a very nice rebound from the support at 0.87. You can see, as well as I can see, that the price is moving up. Super trend flashes a long signal, and the zigzag, guess what? Confirming it. Oscillator also aligns with the bullish trend, so once again, I don't see any other options. We are going for a long. Okay, let's get another asset pair. Let's also increase the bid, bump it up to 350. And guys, take a look. There is a clear resistance area. The earlier breakout turned out to be a false one. That happens. So now the sell orders are triggered and the price is moving downward, breaking the midline of the channel. MACD is giving us a sell signal. So we are going for a put option here. And yes, $654. Well, these profits are getting more and more serious. Okay, we gotta pick a good one here. All right, and I'm gonna place $600 for this next one. And I can see that the price is consolidating above support at 18.79, and it's starting to push forward, to push upward. The breakout from the Dungeon midline and the super trend all tell me it is time to go up and all the way up. Call option, darlings. Only call option is possible here. And you know what else is possible if you join my Telegram channel? The link is right below this video. And building consistent results become possible. And literally exploring more trading opportunities becomes possible. And with my help and support, it all becomes so much more clear and consistent in your trading journey. So make sure you join my TG because the link is waiting for you right there. And the profit is waiting for me, $1,116. Amazing. Truly, truly wonderful. Maybe we should re-enter with the same one. You know what? I'm gonna bump the bid to $1,000 this time. Yes, you heard it right. And yes, I am re-entering with the same pair. You see, the reason for that is because the setup remains bullish, but now the resistance is being broken more confidently, both at the Donchian midline and the super trend line. So why don't we take this opportunity and make even more money with that, right? That's what I'm thinking too. This is exactly what I'm talking about. $1,860. Darlings, I think this session has been truly wonderful. I mean, if you think about that, I started with $60. $60. It's like a basic t-shirt, right? And I got $2,085. And I hope I inspired you with my example. Because if you really want to learn, all you need is to watch my videos and then click the link below this video and check out my Telegram channel. Everything I know and learn about trading, I share with you right there. And it's a great place because everything is so simple and clear. I really make sure the way I give you the information could be understood even at the beginner's level. So check it out, and I cannot wait to see you very, very soon.